Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a puff pastry tart. To make the puff pastry tart, we'll need 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato paste, but don't worry if you haven't got that, you can just use tomato puree. We'll need 1 sheet of ready rolled puff pastry, 100 grams of mushrooms, 1 courgette, 1 garlic clove, 3 tomatoes, 1 pepper, 1 mozzarella cheese, some olive oil, and some oregano if you like it. You don't have to use it if you don't. And we'll need kitchen scales, baking tray lined with baking paper, garlic press, measuring spoons. Again, don't worry if you don't have it, just use a teaspoon and a tablespoon, that's fine. Sharp knife, fork and a chopping board. First of all, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. So the dot lines up with 200. First of all, peel and crush the garlic. Cut off the end, keep your fingers out of the way. And then either with the blade of the knife, or if you're not confident, use the spoon, just crush the garlic and then the skin comes off very easily. Cut it in half to make it easier. And put it in the tomato paste. And mix. Wash all the vegetables and cut them into thin slices. For the courgette, cut the end off and very slowly cut it into thin slices. Cut the tomato in thin slices as well. And do the same with the mushrooms, cut them into thin slices. Mind your fingers so you don't cut yourself. I'm going to show you how to slice the pepper without wasting any of it. Cut it in half and then using 2 fingers, put them behind the seeds and pull it out. This way, you're not wasting any of the pepper and you can do everything with your fingers. And you've got a nice half of the pepper. Do the same with the other one. Once you've done that, all you have to do is slice the pepper into thin slices. Prepare the mozzarella. Be careful because there is liquid inside. So open it up gently with the scissors and take the mozzarella out into a bowl, and you are left with the liquid that you need to pour away. Cut the mozzarella into thin slices or small pieces. It doesn't really matter, it is going to melt on the tart. Spread the pastry sheet on the baking tray. And use the fork to prick the pastry all over, leaving a small border around. Once you've done that, use the prepared paste and spread it all around the pastry. When the pastry is ready, sprinkle the cheese and the vegetables evenly all over the paste. is nearly ready to go into the oven. Just need to sprinkle it gently with oregano, or a lot if you like oregano, like I do. And drizzle with olive oil. You can put your thumb over here so it doesn't come out all at once. And just sprinkle. And if you really want to, you can put a tiny bit of salt just to finish it off. And our tart is ready to go in. Bake for about 20 minutes until it's risen, it's golden on the edges, and the vegetables look done. So the tart's been in the oven for about 20 minutes. It looks golden on the edges and the vegetables look cooked, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to turn the oven off. I'll stand back to let the steam out. And I'll take it out of the oven. And this is the puff pastry tart. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.